Hi, today we're going to be looking at Sony Vaio. Came in, customer complaint, not switching on. The laptop came in without a battery, and when I plugged in my charger, the laptop came on. The customer's charger, this is not an original charger, just a compatible charger, no output. Plugging in the mains. Set the multimeter to 20 volts. And 0 volts on the output. Let's take this power supply apart. Let's see if there's anything obviously wrong. Otherwise we can harvest this cable from this power supply. I've got many other used power supplies, so we can solder that cable into one of those and get this laptop back on the road. Obviously opening a power supply like this where you've got maintenance volts coming in, it's extremely dangerous, could be lethal. Just take this video as entertainment value only. Okay, I find the easiest way to open these power bricks, which are glued together, is just to add a little bit of acetone along these seams to dissolve the glue, and then they come apart. Okay, power supply is out. Even though it's disconnected from the mains, this large capacitor here can still hold a charge. Okay, so 5 volts on that capacitor. It's now safe to work on. Okay, so after some inspection of the charger, I've removed the PWM controller chip, and it's completely shorted out. Ground to gate to VIN, VDD. This chip's completely shorted, as well as a track is burnt on the MOSFET. So being a cheap supply as it is, I'm not even going to bother trying to replace this PWM controller or anything like that. So I think what we're going to do, let's remove this cable from this charger, solder this cable into a known good charger, and that will be the safest and easiest fix. Okay, so those are the cables unsoldered. Let's find another charger. So I've dug up an older HP charger that I have. It's got the same power rating. This original charger will be 100 times better than that cheap knockoff. So let's get this apart, remove the cable, solder in the other cable, and job should be done. Okay, so the charger is out. Quick look at the capacitors. Those are okay. Can't really see big one, but like I said, much higher quality power supply. Okay, so what we've got to do is remove these cables here. We'll have all our wires soldered in securely. Okay, let's reassemble the adapter. While we're waiting for the glue to dry, let's do a test. First, we make sure the polarity is correct. So the outside of the barrel obviously negative. And yes. Okay. Powering on the machine, and the machine comes on, and we have picture. Everything seems to be working fine. Very easy fix. We got to repurpose an old laptop charger, so happy days. Thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix, and we'll see you in the next one.